Maslow's hierarchy of needs is a psychological theory proposed by Abraham Maslow in 1943, outlining the fundamental human needs and their prioritization. The theory is often depicted as a pyramid with 5 levels, where the most basic needs are at the bottom, progressing to higher levels of psychological and self-fulfillment needs at the top. The core idea is that individuals must satisfy lower-level needs before they can address higher-level needs, and this hierarchical approach underscores the interconnectedness and interdependence of human needs. At the foundation of Maslow's pyramid are the physiological needs, which include basic survival requirements such as food, water, warmth, rest, and other bodily functions. These are the most primal needs of human beings, and without satisfying these, a person cannot focus on any other needs. Physiological needs are critical for maintaining life, and when these are unmet, they become the dominant motivator of behavior. The importance of physiological needs is evident in situations of extreme deprivation, such as famine or homelessness, where individuals are solely focused on securing their next meal or finding shelter. Once these fundamental physiological needs are sufficiently satisfied, the individual can then focus on the next level of needs, which is safety. Safety needs pertain to the desire for security and protection from physical and emotional harm. This encompasses not only personal safety but also financial stability, health, and well-being. People seek safety through stable employment, secure living conditions, access to healthcare, and protection from threats or danger. The need for safety is a crucial aspect of human motivation, as individuals strive to create environments where they feel secure and free from fear. In modern societies, safety needs also encompass social structures and government systems that ensure law and order, providing a sense of predictability and control over one's surroundings. As safety needs are met, the focus shifts towards fulfilling social needs. Social needs, also referred to as love and belongingness needs, involve the desire for interpersonal relationships, connection, and affection. Humans are inherently social creatures, and the need for social interaction is a fundamental aspect of human existence. This includes relationships with family, friends, romantic partners, and the broader community. Positive social interactions provide emotional support, companionship, and a sense of belonging. The fulfillment of social needs contributes to emotional well-being and psychological stability, as individuals feel accepted and valued by others. However, when social needs are unmet, individuals may experience loneliness, social anxiety, and a sense of isolation, which can impact their overall mental health. As social needs are satisfied, individuals progress to addressing esteem needs. Esteem needs are related to the desire for self-respect, self-esteem, and the recognition and respect from others. This level of needs encompasses both internal and external aspects of esteem. Internally, it involves self-worth, confidence, and a sense of achievement. Externally, it involves the desire for recognition, status, and appreciation from others. Fulfillment of esteem needs leads to feelings of accomplishment, self-confidence, and a positive self-image. Individuals may seek to achieve esteem through personal achievements, career success, social status, or contributions to society. However, if esteem needs are not met, individuals may experience feelings of inferiority, helplessness, and a lack of self-confidence. The satisfaction of esteem needs is essential for psychological growth and development, paving the way for the highest level of Maslow's hierarchy, self-actualization. Self-actualization represents the pinnacle of Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and it involves the realization of an individual's full potential and the pursuit of personal growth, creativity, and self-fulfillment. Self-actualization is a highly individualized and unique process, as it involves achieving what one is truly capable of becoming. It is characterized by the pursuit of personal goals, self-discovery, and the expression of one's talents and abilities. Self-actualized individuals are often described as being autonomous, creative, and deeply connected to their true selves. They have a strong sense of purpose and are driven by intrinsic motivation, rather than external rewards. Self-actualization is not a static state, but rather a continuous process of growth and development, as individuals seek to reach higher levels of personal fulfillment and contribution. Maslow's hierarchy of needs has had a profound impact on the field of psychology, influencing various areas such as motivation theory, humanistic psychology, and organizational behavior. It provides a framework for understanding human motivation and the factors that drive behavior. The hierarchy underscores the importance of addressing basic needs before higher-level needs can be effectively pursued, highlighting the interconnectedness of human experiences. Maslow's theory has also been applied in various practical contexts, such as education, healthcare, and business, to better understand and address the needs of individuals. Critics of Maslow's hierarchy of needs argue that the theory may be overly simplistic and does not account for the complexity and diversity of human experiences. Some argue that needs may not always follow a strict hierarchical order and that individuals may simultaneously pursue needs at different levels. Additionally, cultural and contextual factors may influence the prioritization of needs, and the hierarchy may not universally apply to all individuals. Despite these criticisms, Maslow's theory remains a foundational concept in psychology and continues to be a valuable tool for understanding human motivation. In conclusion, Maslow's hierarchy of needs provides a comprehensive and insightful framework for understanding the fundamental human needs and their prioritization. By addressing the physiological, safety, social, esteem, and self-actualization needs, individuals can achieve a higher level of personal fulfillment and psychological well-being. The theory underscores the interconnectedness of human experiences and the importance of addressing basic needs before higher-level needs can be effectively pursued. While the hierarchy may not universally apply to all individuals and contexts, it remains a valuable tool for understanding human motivation and the factors that drive behavior. Maslow's hierarchy of needs continues to be a significant and influential theory in the field of psychology, providing a foundational understanding of the complexities of human needs and motivation.